First is in the vaccines, we are fighting for, we are seeing three. First one vaccine is mRNA, RNA vaccine. Okay, in the mRNA vaccine, what will happen? You see, actually, the Pfizer and Moderna has used this mRNA vaccine. They developed the mRNA vaccine. Now, what is mRNA vaccine? See, now this is your virus. This is a virus, and in the virus you have a nucleus, and in the nucleus you have a RNA. And this RNA is producing the protein. Yes, they are producing the protein through mRNA. Which kind of protein they are producing? The protein is called spike protein. This is a spike protein. This mRNA is producing this spike protein. It is spike. This is a spike protein. This is producing it. Okay. Now this is a spike protein, right? All right. Let me draw this. So this is a coronavirus, and this is a spike protein which is produced. Spike protein. Protein is produced by mRNA. Actually, mRNA is producing the spike protein. Now, what the Pfizer and one second, yes, Moderna and Pfizer. Okay, spelling PFIZER. Okay, Pfizer and Moderna has emerged as a primary contender for the development of COVID-19. Now, both of them in the November they have started using this mRNA vaccine. Now, mRNA, making use of mRNA. Now, what they have done is that they have taken the mRNA, okay, mRNA from COVID-19 virus, okay, mRNA, and they started coating. Some lipid coating has done. Lipid coating. Some kind of coating has been done on this, and this mRNA is now injected. This is a vaccine now. They have lipid, and now this is a vaccine. Actually, it is a vaccine now. This is a vaccine, mRNA vaccine. Now, this mRNA is injected into the host. mRNA is injected into the host. Now, this is your host cell. It will go into the host cell like this, right? Now, you will be forming the nucleus. You will have a nucleus, right? This mRNA is injected into the DNA. Yes or no? Into the DNA of your cell. Now, your cell DNA, that this mRNA will go and say, this mRNA which has been injected in your body, this mRNA will say, okay, go and make this spike protein. Okay, this mRNA will go and make this spike protein. Spike protein will be made in your body. Actually, there is no virus. Okay, spike protein is made, only spike. Now there is no DNA, RNA, virus is not entered, only spike protein. By using that mRNA, we have made a spike protein, only spike protein. That is antigen. This is antigen kada. This is called antigen. This we have made. Ekada in your body by injecting mRNA from that virus. Now what will happen? Your mRNA will make the spike protein. By seeing this spike protein, your immune system will be alerted. Immune system will get alert, and they will say, okay, dekho, spike protein has come, the coronavirus has come. But actually coronavirus has not come, only spike protein has come. Now your immune system will activate and will prepare for antibodies. Antigens and antibodies will be prepared. Antibodies will be prepared. Now once the antibodies is prepared, what will happen? Very good. Now when actual coronavirus comes, actual COVID-19 comes, what will happen? Already antibodies have created, they will attack that COVID-19. Now it will destroy that virus. Is the point clear or any doubt? Pavan, Rajesh, Vivek, Vikram, any doubts? You can ask me. Is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear Ainda? Vikram, Pavan, Rajesh, any doubt
Yes, sir.
in mRNA? No doubts? Nobody? Ajay? Is it clear?
Clear.
Right. So this is the first type. Now, second type of virus is called Oxford. This is adenovirus routine. Actually, second type of virus vaccine is called Oxford. Oxford A vaccine, Adi? What was the name of the vaccine? AstraZeneca.
AstraZeneca.
AstraZeneca, right. AstraZeneca, Oxford, they are using the route called adenovirus route. Adenovirus route. Now, what is this adenovirus route is? Simply, this adenovirus, a vaccine, actually the vaccine peru CHADOX1 and COVID-19. And COVID-19. This is a vaccine name. Right, clear? What was the vaccine name of Pfizer and Moderna?
Sir, audio.
Sir, voice is not audible.
Now I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, chalo. So now you see, connection. Let's stop the screening. Where it has got disconnected, Vikram? ఎక్కడి నుంచి అయింది?
Sir, మీరు mRNA vaccine చేయాలి.
అంతేనా? Okay. You see, this is mRNA. Now you see Oxford AstraZeneca. Now here, what is they are using adenovirus route. What is adenovirus? Adenovirus, actually, it is a common cold in the chimpanzee. Adenovirus is a common cold in the chimpanzee. Now, what they do? they have taken this adenovirus, they have genetically modified it. What they have done, they are genetically modified so that it will not grow once it has injected. అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ వరకు? ఇక్కడ వరకు క్లియర్? See, they have taken the virus and they have genetically modified it. Genetically modified, altered it. Altered. Now clear?
సార్ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు కూడానా? Now yaar?
Yes, sir.
Vikram now? Pavan, Rajesh?
Sir, నాకు input. Sir, నాకు input.
Everyone, it is audible?
Audible.
Okay. So what happened was, you see, they have taken this adenovirus, adenovirus, and they have modified it, genetically altered it. So once it genetically altered, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే now the construction, the genetic material of novel coronavirus. See, now what happens? This is your virus, actually, novel coronavirus. This is a spike protein. Okay, now what happens? The genetic material. What is the genetic material? RNA. The genetic material of novel coronavirus 19, they have taken and inserted in the virus. ఇక్కడ జెనెటిక్ మెటీరియల్ అంటే న్యూక్లియర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేశారు అంతే, సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే. సో when they have transferred it, now this adenovirus, what they have done, nuclear transfer they have done. Now they inject into the body host. ఇప్పుడు న్యూక్లియస్ ఉంది, ఈ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ ఉంది. ఆర్ఎన్ఏ ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు? దే విల్ క్రియేట్ స్పైక్ ప్రోటీన్, అవునా? దిస్ mRNA which is there, they will create spike protein, and spike protein ని చూసి ఏముంటుంది? host body, they will create antibodies. అర్థమైందా కాలేదా?
ఇంకోసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకే see here, simple. See, adenovirus ని ఫస్ట్ తీసుకుంటారు. adenovirus ఎప్పుడైతే adenovirus ని తీసుకుంటారో, it will actually, virus కున్న తత్వం ఏంటి? it will multiply when it go into the cell, అవునా? multiply when it comes, because it is a non-cellular, when it enters in the cell, it will multiply. So what I have to do to stop this multiplication? I have to alter, అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? genetically modify it so that it will not multiply. ఇప్పుడు ఈ adenovirus లో what I will add the nucleus of virus, COVID-19 virus nucleus ని యాడ్ చేస్తాను. అంటే న్యూక్లియస్ లో ఏముంది? ఆర్ఎన్ఏ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ ఏం చేస్తుంది? mRNA. ఈ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ ఏం చేస్తుంది? స్పైక్ ప్రోటీన్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది కదా, స్పైక్ ప్రోటీన్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే స్పైక్ ప్రోటీన్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తుందో, యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ది వైరస్, only spike protein has created because of the nuclear transfer. So when the spike protein has created, antibodies will be generated in your body, and when the real coronavirus will come, it will lead to death. అర్థమైందా ఇది? Okay, like the same way the DNA vaccines also, like what they do generally, the third one, DNA vaccines. So ఈ DNA vaccines inject a part of genetical code of virus. Actually దీంట్లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే, ఫస్ట్ RNA will be RNA of the virus. Actually you see here, ఇది వైరస్ అనుకో, novel coronavirus, these are spike proteins. Here in this nucleus, what is there present? RNA, avuna? First they will take this RNA, convert into టు డిఎన్ఏ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డిఎన్ఏని ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇట్ విల్ ఇంజెక్ట్ ఇంటూ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ హోస్ట్ లో. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డిఎన్ఏ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఆర్ఎన్ఏ లాగా ఫంక్షన్ చేస్తుంది కదా. దే విల్ క్రియేట్ స్పైక్ ప్రోటీన్ అండ్ యాంటీబాడీస్ విల్ బి జనరేటెడ్. అర్థమైందా కాలేదా? సింపుల్. డిఎన్ఏ వ్యాక్సిన్స్ ఆర్ సో సింపుల్.
Understood.
అర్థమైంది కదా?
Understood.
క్లియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్? ఎనీ డౌట్ హియర్? No doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Now
No,
you
sir.
see. You see. One
No, no, sir.
more thing here. Now, the last topic is syndromes. You see here also same thing. See what I have said, same thing. Did you get the picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see